Alright, so what's up guys? Today I thought, since we all have a 3-week vacation or quarantine, as they like to call it, I thought about, maybe record some projects that I'm gonna do. You can follow up on them as well and do them with me, or I'll just link the source code to every project I'm gonna do for the next 3 weeks every day. I'm gonna upload a video every day, or at least try to. So I'm gonna leave the source code without any code in it in the description below, as well as the one with all the source code in it as well, like the solution part of it. So you're gonna get an empty project and then you get the full project. So what I thought about doing today was kind of like build a program that's kind of like the one we did in our assignment, where you get the the input dialogues with like the courier company, the weight, and then the city to what you want to deliver it to. So I'm going to do something like that today. It's going to be like an ordering application. I'm going to use a class as well. I'm going to use just normal. I'm not going to use the console. I'm going to use inputs from the JOption pane. So firstly, I need to do a new file. I'm going to call this main. I need to call it main.java, like so. We're gonna do main class.java. Okay. So now this is the main method class, and this is just the class. Okay. So first of all, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna say public class main. Then I'm gonna do public static void main string arguments. It doesn't really matter where you put the empty square brackets. It doesn't really matter. I can put them there even, and it will still work. It doesn't really matter. It's just preferable to be put there for some reason. I don't know why, but anyway. Okay, so now to start off the class, I'm gonna do public class main class. Okay, so what do we need from the person? We're gonna need obviously we're gonna need the person's name, contact information, his okay, so the food, the drink, and then any sides like chip, onion rings, all that kind of jazz. Salads. I don't know what orders a salad as a side, but oh well. And then we're gonna continue with the class. So I'm gonna say private string. I'm gonna call this full name. Private. What do you need? Int contact number. Private. Okay, I'm gonna do a private double. Full price. Nope, that's completely wrong. Full price. Okay. Then I'm gonna do a public void set full name string full name. Then this is going to be obviously this dot full name is gonna equal to full name public string get full name. Okay, now we need to return the full name. Return full name. Now we just need to do the rest for the contact details as well. Public void set contact number int I'm just gonna say contact number. Then that's dripping. And we do this dot contact number equals contact number public int get contact number return contact number.
Knock knock.
What?
Knock knock.
Okay.
Knock knock.
Okay.
Wie will ask the questions?
Okay. Public double get price. Nope, set price obviously. Set full price. This doesn't need to be. This doesn't. Okay. My bad. Okay. This the full price equals full price. Public double get full price. It's going to be this. Don't ask me why I do that. Return full price. Okay. So now this is done. What I guess we could do is import it real quick, just so that's done. I'm gonna do main. I'm gonna create a static main class MC. Okay. Now we need the variables, obviously. So what variables do we think we need? We need a string. So I'm gonna say public static string, which is obviously gonna be the person's full name. Public static int contact details. Public static double for the price. Okay, this is gonna be the price of every single thing, so you're gonna need a few menu options. So I'm gonna create more variables. This is gonna be the variables for the set method. So let me just variables for set methods. Input dialog. Input dialog. Variables. Okay. So we need a public string. Public static string fname. Public static int con details. Public static. Wait, no. No, I don't need this. Never mind. I might need another public static double full price. And the full price is going to equal to 0. Okay. Now we do need variables for the menu items. So we're going to have 3 menu at each item. So we're going to have food, we're going to have drinks, and we're going to have sides. Okay. So the food, say public static, this is going to be a string. No, it's a double. Sorry, it's a price. Public double, what's the first thing going to be? Okay, the first going to be a burger, which is gonna be, how much do we want? 18.50. And it's gonna be public static double. What's the next? Next one is gonna be I don't know what menu. I'm just gonna say pasta. There you go. I'm just gonna say pasta. We'll make that $20. Public static double. What's next? Say taco. I'm just gonna call it taco. And then we're gonna call it, and then we're gonna make this, I think, 25. Yeah, my tacos are hella expensive now. Okay, so we got taco. Drinks. Public static double. What's the drink gonna be? The drink is gonna be, okay, the first one's gonna be a Coke. The Coke, I'm gonna get it for you. I'm gonna say can, which is gonna be 13.50. That's the basic retail price now. And then bottled Coke, which is now I think 15. Public static double water bottle is gonna be 10. And then public static double Pepsi. I'm gonna make it Pepsi's gonna be a can, so I'm gonna make it 7. Last one's gonna be a Monster, and the Monster's gonna be 16.50. Okay. Yep, let's make it. Let's do weird numbers here. Do weird numbers. I think that's gonna make everything interesting. Okay. Okay, so these sides is gonna be public static double. First one's gonna be chips. And then the chips is gonna be extra $9. Salad as an extra, which is gonna be a 10.05. Prosthetic double 05 salad, which one's gonna be next? Let's do onion rings. They're gonna be 14.55. And the last one is going to be breadsticks, which I'm just gonna do for 5.30. Okay. Just gonna ignore this word. Okay, I'll be right back. Hang on a sec. Okay, and I'm back. Quickly had to go to the shops, but I'm back now. Okay, so we've done all our variables now. Now all I need to do is add in the imports. I'm gonna say import javax.swing.j option pane. It's like so. Okay. Righto. Okay, so now, first of all, I want to use different methods for this. Just because I know where I want to do it. No, that's not okay. I'm gonna see if this works. Okay, so I'm gonna say public void get food. Then I'm gonna do the food. I'm gonna say public void get full name. I'm gonna do everything off of methods here. Okay. Public void get contact info. So I'm just gonna see if these all work. I'm just gonna ignore that, so it doesn't bother me. Okay. So now I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna do string full name. I'm gonna do full name. It's gonna equal to j option pane dot show input dialog null, because there's no component. There's no the show input dialog is not attached to any components like a graphic interface or anything like that, so it's null, which means it's empty. Then I'm gonna do please enter your full name. Okay, then I'm gonna do mc.set full name, which is gonna be full name. Okay, then I'm just gonna print it out there somewhere. I don't know where. I might call this beforehand. Okay, so now contact info, which is gonna be contact details. It's gonna equal to, this is an integer dot value dot value of j option pane dot show input dialog screen null. Please enter your contact number. mc.set contact number, which is gonna be contact details. Okay, now the get food one. I don't know. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna have to check now, and this is gonna be a hell of a lot of huge thing. But I think first let's do this and call it here. So I'm gonna do mc.get full name, mc.get contact number. I'm gonna print it out. Why are you not? Because I was pressing the wrong one. Never mind. Okay, let me just quickly run this. Oh, my bad. Whoops. No. Where? Okay, well, now that's fixed. Okay, you're gonna work now? Oh, wait, I didn't call the... Of course. I need to call everything first. Okay, I need to call them first. And then I'm gonna do get contact info. Why are you not? Hello? Yep, forgot about. I'm gonna have to put static everywhere now. Okay. Hopefully it does what it does now. Aha! At 36. What's wrong at 36? Oh. I don't. You see, I don't. So I'm not gonna be able to use methods like I thought I would be able to. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use different methods for this. I'm just gonna do 081. This is my real number, by the way. Yes, it's not. But string. This is a string. Contact details is an int, it's not string. Okay, now I'm just gonna do everything from the main method. It's fine. I'm just gonna call everything using the main method. Okay, now it should actually work. Okay, that's right. Input for string. How? It's not a string, it's an integer. Everything is set to an integer. This is set to an integer, so why is it not working? Because I'm returning what I'm supposed to be returning, but it's not working. Nothing's running. Is it probably on Java 39? What's wrong at 39? So that's that full name. You return a string which is called full name. It is static. Everything is like it's supposed to be. This wouldn't make a difference. So it gives me pause in integer value of. See, I don't think even the pause int's gonna work, because it's never given me this error before. This is not working. Why does it pick it up as a string? Unless I'm just gonna remove this and replace it with an actual string. You know, it's screwed. I'm just gonna put this as a string. Screw it, I'm putting everything as a string now. This isn't gonna work. You know why. So if I put any number in there, it's gonna print everything out. I think I know what I did wrong. You can't have spaces between a number. I can't have spaces between any number. That's why I didn't. That's why it gave me the error as a string. So what I think was wrong, if I do this. Wait, what? Whoops. I'm the biggest idiot when it comes to programming. Nope, still gives me the same error. Okay, let's see what's wrong now. In line 39, what's wrong with line 39? Null pointer exception. Why isn't it accepted anything? I'm still returning the full name, so I don't know what's wrong with it. Why are you not? Still, what is it with this Java null? Hang on a sec. Let me just see this. What could possibly be wrong? Null points the exception. Well, this isn't null. This is a string. James show input dialog null, please. This isn't even null. This isn't null. This isn't null. Nothing's null, so I don't know why. I think even putting it in public isn't gonna. It's gonna make a difference. No, why are you doing that now? Still giving me a null. Why are you giving me a null pointer exception? I'm setting the full name and I'm getting the full name. Why are you not working? Because even if I remove all of this, change this out with this. Yeah, see now it prints on. So there's a problem with my class. Okay, so I'm not gonna be using a class now. I'll try and figure out that at a later stage. I'll make another program with a class in, so you know what, I can just actually delete this class. Because if the class isn't gonna work, then nothing's gonna work. So it doesn't. There's no point in having the class then. Okay, so now let's. Okay, so we have this. I'm not gonna print that out now. Okay. So now. Okay. Menu item names. It's gonna have a public static string food. Public static string drinks. Public static string sides. I wonder if there's a case statement in Java. I haven't used them before. Case statement example. I've never used a case statement. Oh, switch user. Oh, I know what. I think I might be able to do that. Okay, so let's do. I'm gonna do an int. I'm gonna call it food items. I'm gonna call int drink items. I'm gonna do int side items. Okay. Drink is good. So the food is 3. It's 3. Drink items equals 2, 4, 5. Then the side items is also equals 2, 4. Okay. And then you do switch food items. I think that's how you do it. Yeah, okay. Case what? case 1. Case 1, the price. Oh, you know, okay, you know. Oh wait, now I'm gonna do like this. Price is gonna equal to price plus 18.15 plus 18.45. Then I can do food, which is gonna be equal to, which is the first one, a burger. Okay. Hang on, I just want to get my drink. Okay. You know, since we're all living in quarantine, I stocked up on energy drinks. The programmer's pride and joy. Trust me. Okay, so now. What is that? Oh, my bad. I'm gonna keep hitting this thing up. Okay. Where did it go? Did it disappear? Oh, there it is. Got it. Okay. Okay. So now we got the food items. I'm gonna do case 2. Price is gonna equal to price plus 20. That's not even correct at all. What food did they order now? Pasta. Who orders pasta? Case 3. Price is gonna equal to price plus price is gonna equal to 25. Price 25. Food is gonna equal to tacos. Okay. No. Not as error, you idiot. Okay. Says out the receipt for the order. Where's my floor? Okay, so the food choice. So now I'm gonna print out the food. And then I'm also gonna print out the price. Like so. Okay, let's see if this would work. Food choice tacos. Oh wait. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna do it like that. Otherwise, I won't be able to. Oh wait, no, I can use the input. And food items equals 3. So I can just do this as an input, and then it will run it from there. Well, that's how I think it's gonna go. Yeah, see, it still worked. So I can actually just run it, enter my full name again, contact number, random. Now you're giving me this error again. Crying out loud. I don't care. Okay. So I don't know why this isn't working. Okay, never mind. Just gonna reiterate, please enter your contact number. Please enter your contact number. I'm gonna say 2. That ain't right. So this is gonna take me a while. Okay. Please choose your food item below. I think this program is gonna take me a while to do because I'm really stupid when it comes to this. Why are you not? Okay. I'm gonna do new line. I'm gonna say 1. The first one is gonna be a burger. The second one is going to be the pasta. I think, yeah, pasta. Who eats pasta? Okay. New. And then number 3 is of course the tacos. Okay, so that should actually be a little bit more better. That should actually be better now. Okay. Okay. Please enter your food items below. So I'm gonna take 2. Why is it 45? Is it counting both of these? Okay. I should just put break after all of them. Otherwise it's gonna count every single of the prices that I list. It's not gonna work after that. You're gonna buy like $50 worth of things, and you're gonna pay like $100 for it. So seriously, just run. Okay. Tacos, I'm gonna say 3. Hey! It works. Okay. Okay, so now we have that working. Okay, so now we have that working all together. I'm just gonna copy everything from this. So I'm not gonna rewrite everything, just to make it easier for myself. No. Please choose your drink item below. So the first one is can of Coke. Third one is a bottle of Coke. One after that is which? Water. New line 4, which is going to be Pepsi. New line, then 5 is going to be Monster. And these are all cans, by the way, the rest of them. Because there is only like 4 sides, so don't have to struggle with this too much, like I did with that. Okay, so first one is the chips, salad, I'm gonna do onion rings. Inline, and then breadsticks, sticks. Yeah, no, that's I type sticks, obviously. Okay, so now we have this. Switch. Drink items. Case 1, I think. Price equal to price. And then we're gonna add, first one is gonna kind of cook, which is gonna be 1336. Actually, you know what? I've just noticed I don't have to type everything in. I already declared everything. So all I can do is just type in the name. Just like so. I'm tired of this. Okay. Case 2. Price is gonna equal price. Plus what? Bot cook, okay. Of cook, and then I'm gonna say break. Then obviously we need this. Make sure I didn't mix them up. Nope. Monster. I'm just gonna call this Monster Energy. Say break. Okay. And that should be all the cases, since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. So now immediately switch side items. Forgot my parentheses again, and then I'm still pressing the wrong button. Okay. So now what about a message? Case 1. Price. Just what did I call this? Sides. Okay. Salad. Salad. Kartoffelsalad. Case 3. Okay, case 3 is going to equal to price plus nope. Price. I think this is onion rings. Yeah. Okay, and then we have case 4. It's gonna be price equals price plus the breadsticks. I'm gonna have to create another variable for everything. I'll show you why now. Okay, and then break. Okay, so now we have all of that working together. I'm gonna have to create another variable for each of these. Static double. Food cost. And public static double drink cost. Static double side cost. Okay. Because now I'm gonna have to copy this, paste it there, and equal that to the burger. I'm gonna have to do it everywhere. Gonna have to do it here as well. I have to do it everywhere. Why do I keep pressing M? Don't ask me why. Really? M again? Okay, it's gonna go to the water. Oh. Yeah. No, man. Sometimes I hate this editor. It irritates the crap out of me. Okay. Side cost. So the side cost here is gonna be equal to the chips. So salad. So equal to onion rings. It's gonna equal to breadsticks. Okay. Now I need to print the report, but I just want to see if everything's working the way it should. Okay, I'm gonna take a burger, I'm gonna take water, I'm gonna take 3 onion rings. Food plus new line drink choice. Okay. That should work now. Okay. So I'm gonna do my name. Do my please just item below burger, 2 bottle of Coke, and 3 onion rings. So the total price is for it. Let's see if it calculated correctly. Because the food is a burger, and the burger is 18. Wait, I don't trust my math sometimes, so let's do calculate. So 18.45 plus, and then the second one is a bottle of Coke plus 15 plus. And then the side was what? Onion rings. Onion rings costs 14.55. Well, it actually calculated it correctly. Wow, that's okay. So it calculated that correctly. Sweet. Okay, I'll continue in a few minutes now. Just need to have a quick break and I will come back.